Alright, hi guys. We are going to work on balancing equations, and we're going to start with this reaction. Okay. So looking at it, I have our reactants underlined and products because they don't fit nicely in our space. And what you want to do first is write how many atoms you have of each. So we look at our reactants. How many lithiums? 2, and we write that down. How many oxygens? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write that down. And then carbons, we have 1, so you want to write down 1 carbon. Then we do the same to our products. 2 lithiums, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oxygens, and 1 carbon. So everything, and I'll lift that up so you can see, everything is balanced except for our oxygen. So we need to start with those first. Okay. Because of having balanced a lot of equations, I know that this odd number needs to be even for us to even balance. So looking at these two, our common denominator would be, well, I mean, we can put a 2 in front. Let's just start with that, and you can see I already did that earlier. Just to make this even. So that changes our oxygens on our reactant side, or sorry, product side. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2. We now have 8 oxygens. So is there, we need to figure out the rest. We have 4 lithiums and 2 carbons. Okay, and I'll show you that I've done that. Okay, so we go up to the top. Is there a way that we can balance our equations? So at this point, we can pretty much start wherever. So let's try and balance our lithiums, which would be a 2 in front of here. So now we have 4 lithiums and 6 oxygens. Okay. We look at our numbers down here below. We still need 2 more oxygens and 1 more carbon. So let's see what happens if we put a 2 in front of the carbon dioxide. So now we have 2 carbon dioxides. Oops, and our oxygens have changed. So again, we have 4 plus 4. So we have 8 oxygens. Okay, and then we want to double check to make sure that this is balanced, that all of our numbers down here equal the same. So just double check, double count. Okay, and as long as those numbers stay the same, then our new balanced equation has a 2 in front of both of our reactants and a 2 in front of our product with lithium. And that should give us our balanced equation.